Today, we will learn how to trade in tough market conditions and how to make clever price action decisions. We will get help from our beloved trading indicator for finding great trade zones. No more empty talks. If you're ready, let's do this. I wanted to observe this lovely big time coin today. It is a great example of a win and a loss at the same time by using multiple strategies. As you can see here in this 1 hour chart, we have very significant institutional levels. Previous week high and the previous day high. When we zoom in the area, you can see it better. Both PWH and PDH are already hunted. Now we will discuss them using as amplifiers and support and resistance fill-up areas. So can we use them to trade? Let's check it out. But before I move on, we activate our ICT high time frame candles indicator. This indicator is the only reason that I have found out about this coin setup. Previously, I had no idea this coin even existed up until this morning. First of all, let me check out the previous week's high, zone, and the price level, which also collides with 30 and 45-minute imbalances at the same time. This is the location of our first trade idea. If we just look at the below level, you will notice that this time we have the previous daily high area as masterclass amplifier. But this time we have 4 imbalance taps instead of 2. We have the 30 and 45 minutes, 1 and 2 hours at the same time. Furthermore, we have a very clear support and resistance fill-up location. So it is obvious that the secondary area is much more concept rich and it will probably a stronger location to trade. Now, let me open the 1-minute time frame on the left side. It will help us to understand and discuss the price action on both price levels. Let me check the first location of the trade, previous weekly high price level. If you have taken a trade here with the market structure shift, probably a compact simple 2-hour setup. But as you can see, this could have been failed. A stopped out trade. Remember, this was the location of 30 and 45 minutes with the amplifier. And guess what? Nothing but nothing wrong here. A perfectly healthy trade with a loss. There's nothing we can do here. You have to take the loss and move on. How about the secondary location with the previous day high? Notice the structure shift right here. Once it taps the previous day's high as the amplifier. So at the same time, this is the support and resistance fill-up location. This is an area of successful 2-hour setup. What was the difference between these and the previous locations? It just had more smart money concepts. You should always remember this. More concepts coming together makes the trade much better and it gives you a higher chance of winning probability. So, what are the rules of the trading game? Let's remember. 1. Every trade, every strategy, every method will fail. There is no exception. There is no holy grail. Accept this and move on. 2. You must wait for the results of 100 trades at least for better accuracy. 1 trade means nothing. Even if you have 10 losses in a row, still means nothing because you do not have enough data in your hand to compare your results. 3, and the last one, more concepts together makes the area stronger and better and increase the chance of success. If you notice order block, OTE, SR Phillip, imbalance, and maybe other things in a single price level, there is a higher probability, a better probability of winning the trade. I hope all this makes a lot of sense for you. Okay, folks, what a great video. We have learned so much today. Please have a great day and see you in the next video. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you